Hi, welcome to Road 200 Quant Questions. A, B, C like coffee. When C drinks coffee, both B and A don't drink coffee. So when C drinks, A and B both don't drink coffee. When A drinks coffee, so B doesn't drink. But C also doesn't drink because when C drinks, A does not drink. So if A is drinking, which means C is not drinking. When B does not drink, or when B drinks coffee, A does not drink coffee. Even C will not drink because if C drinks, B does not drink. It means if B is drinking, C is not drinking. So it means at a time only one person is drinking coffee. So in the month of March, A and C did not drink coffee for 22 and 23 days. Out of 31 days, which means A must have drank coffee for 9 days and C must have drank coffee for 8 days. Also you have B who have drank coffee for 11 days. So total becomes 28 days they have drank coffee. 1 out of 3. So how many days they have not drank coffee? 31 minus 28, which will come to 3 days. C option. That will be the answer. Key is to understand the sum. Once you understand the sum, it becomes easier to solve the sum. A, B, C are even positive integers such that their sum is 12. A plus B plus C plus D, the sum is 12. Total possible ways of assigning values to A, B, C, D. So when you say even positive integers, always put the minimum value first. So I have to assign 2, 2, 2, 2, the minimum that they have to get. Once I assign 2, 2, 2, 2 to each of them, how much is left? 12 minus 8, 4 is left. Now these 4 which is there, I can give all 4 to one person itself. Okay, if I give all 4 to one person, then how many ways? 4 ways. So I can give 4 to A or 4 to B or 4 to C or 4 to D. Or I can break up 4 as 2 and 2 and give it to 2 different people, which is nothing but 4C2, 6 ways. Okay, 4 break it up as 2 and 2 and give it to 2 people. I can't break it up as 1 and 1, then it will become odd number because they have to be even number, remember that. So that means these are only 2 ways I can distribute. All 4 to one person or 2 to 2 people. So total number of ways becomes 10. 6 plus 4, which is 10 ways. A series of positive numbers in AP, the ratio of the sum of first 33 numbers. So first to 33rd number. The average is the middle number. And the middle number is 1 plus 33 upon 2. 17 number. The middle number is the 17 number. Okay, the sum of these all 3 numbers is nothing but the 17 number into 33. Sum of all 3 numbers, all the numbers. Sum is nothing but average. Average is the middle number into n. So average is the 17 number into number of numbers 33. Now next 11 numbers. Next 11 numbers is from 34 to 44. So average is the 39th number. So 39th number into 11 numbers is the sum. And the ratio of the sum is 1:1. That means the sum is equal. That means 17 number into 33 is equal to 39th number into 11. Or you can make out that 17th number upon 39th number is 1:3. Let's say 17 number is x and say 39 number is 3x. So if this is x, this is 3x. 28 number is exactly middle of these two. 17 plus 39 upon 2 is 28 number. So 28 number will be the average of x and 3x. In arithmetic progression, the middle number is the average of the two numbers. So 28 number is nothing but 17 plus 39 upon 2 is 28 number. So the value also will be average of the 2, which is 2x. We want a ratio of 17 term to 28 term. The ratio of 17 term to 28 term will be x is to 2x or 1:2. B option. A and B can cover one round of a circular track in 20 and 28 seconds. So time taken by A and B is 20 is to 28. Times of distance, one good way is to solve by ratio if both the times are given, which if you look at is 5:7. Okay, time taken to cover. So number of rounds taken, less the time taken, more the rounds you can take. So number of rounds taken at the same time will be 7:5. Number of rounds taken at the same time will be 7:5. Now, to be at a maximum distance from each other, one should cover half a round more than the other. Now, if you're in a circular track, if you want a maximum distance from each other, one should be half a track more than the other, or diametrically opposite. Right now, here they are. Difference between the number of rounds covered is 2. To make the difference in the number of rounds covered half, you would divide by 4 or multiply by 1 by 4. So if you multiply by 1 by 4, so that means if A covers 1.75 rounds and B covers 1.25 rounds, they'll be diametrically opposite each other for the first time. So how many rounds should B cover? B should cover 1.25 rounds, B option. That's the answer. So when A covers 7 rounds, B covers 5 rounds. To be at maximum distance from A, it should be diametrically opposite or half a round away from each other. Right now, 2 rounds away from each other, 7 and 5 rounds. To make it half a round away from each other, you have to multiply by 1 by 4. So multiply each by 1 by 4. So when A covers 1.75 rounds, B will cover 1.25 rounds. At that point, they will be diametrically opposite each other. Remainder. When you have a very large number, there will always be a pattern which is there. So try to find a pattern. So I say 552, I see a pattern recurring. So let's say 552 divided by 23. 22s are 46, 9 carry over 92, right? 22, 24s are. So this divides properly. So that means when you divide by 23, 552 divides. They have total 200 digits. So these 552 is 3D digits. So it will go up to 198 digits. Multiple of 3. It will go up to 198 digits. So last 2 digits will be 5 and 5. 199 and 200 digit. This is 199 and 200 digit. So up to here it will divide. Last 55 is left. 55 if you divide by 23, you will see the remainder is 9. So overall remainder should be 9. So up to 198 digits is divisible. You're left with 2 digits 55. To find the remainder, divide 55 by 9. Oh, sorry, 55 by 23. You will get the remainder 9. Thank you.